Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And on today's video, I will be showing you how to recover Bigo Live password. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, open up the Bigo Live application. You will land on this interface. Now from here, tap on Me icon from the bottom right corner. Now again, tap on sign in button from this interface. Here, you can simply sign in with your Facebook account, your Google account, your Twitter account, your Apple account. Now, in order to sign in with your phone number, tap on sign in with phone. And on this interface, first of all, you have to enter your country or region. So select your country. And under that, type in your correct phone number. And under that again, you will get in space to enter your password. Since we don't remember our password, you will get forgot password under login with call button. So tap on forgot password. Here confirm your phone number again. Once you do that, tap on next. And on this page, you will receive a verification code on your mobile device. As you can see, it is auto-filled on my device. And under that, create a password. You have to create a password with at least 6 characters with letters, numbers and symbols. Once you're done with that, tap on done. And with that, you have recovered your password. And next time you log into your account, you can simply use that password to log in. And after that, you will be directly logged into your account on Bigo Live. So that's how you recover password on Bigo Live. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do subscribe, like and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thank you for watching again. I will see you on next video.